7 beats.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to sit down and have filmed a video because I haven't filmed a video in 3 whole months, which is a very long time. I am absolutely in love with this makeup. Like I said in the video, I tend to do this makeup anyway with the YSL Love palette, but I also took inspiration from a picture of Hrush, which is a celebrity makeup artist that often does like the Kardashians. She is stunning herself. Where is it? So that's the eye makeup she had. If you want to see how I got this makeup look, then please keep on watching, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram and all of that jazz, and send me questions as well because I want to be doing more Q&As or tags with people like Molly, I also want to do mukbangs because I'm a fat bitch. Thank you for watching. To start, I am going to hand sanitize because you want to be hygienic. This one is from Lidl. I have so much makeup now that my makeup drawers barely open because they're so heavy. So I don't know what to do about that yet, but let me put my mini ears on. If you read my description to my last video, I explained I had really bad acne, and I know there is still some things left, especially scars, but this is actually a lot better. It's just a bit wild. So for skincare, I'm going to use the Ordinary, and this one is their hyaluronic acid 2%. The Ordinary is really good. It's like £5 for like amazing serums. Serums go on before your moisturiser, and they're going to help penetrate the moisturiser further into the skin. Moisturiser, I'm going to use this giant pot of Nivea, which is Refreshingly Soft Moisturising Cream. Just a cream. Even if you have oily skin, you have to moisturize because you can still have dehydrated skin even if you're oily. Primer, I'm going to use the brand new Yves Saint Laurent Blur Perfector, and they have just come out in 3 different colours for Blur Perfector. So this is one of them, which is orange. There's a blue and a purple one as well. What the orange is going to do is colour correct as well as prime like the original Blur primer does. So this like completely blurs out any pores, fine lines, anything like that. This stuff is so amazing. It feels so soft on the skin, and like if there's any days that I'm not wearing makeup, I still put this on because it makes your skin look that good. This is a good one for male grooming as well. Personally, when I like watching makeup tutorials, I like seeing all different products, so what I try to do is show different ones each video. What I'm going to do is take my little mixing palette and I'm going to mix together the foundations I'm going to use, because I don't have one at the moment that fits my skin exactly. I do have one for when I'm really tan that fits, but at the moment I don't. So I'm going to mix the Maybelline Dream Satin Liquid, which is a lot darker, and the Urban Decay Naked Skin, which is a lot lighter. 1 drop of Urban, probably actually 1 drop of this as well. This one is a lot thicker. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, no, I'm not showing you. See, I'm going to do like 1.5 of the Dream Satin. I'm just going to take the back of a makeup brush, just mix them together. With clients, this is usually what I do, is I just mix colours together. Very hard to get the exact colour for someone. That way you don't need to spend an absolute fortune on every single foundation colour there is. This is nice. I'm more patting in the foundation. This way it's going to give me fuller coverage. To highlight my face and conceal under my eyes, I'm going to use Bare Minerals concealer, and this one is the correcting concealer in light 1, which is very, very light. What I'm doing is just bringing it further down the side of my nose, and you can see that's really nice and highlighted. This brush is like really good for cream concealers. It's BH Cosmetics 128. Go a bit onto the cupid's bow as well, onto the chin. I haven't picked up any more product. And onto the centre. Take a bit of the Maybelline Super Stay powder in the shade Ivory. And it looks like this because I like to make my own loose powders, but that's for a whole other video. Oh my gosh, it smells so nice. Just pack it on underneath my eyes. And because the powder is really light, it's going to keep that highlighted look. I'm going to take it onto my eyelids as well. Like I did with the concealer, I don't pick up any more product, I just dab the excess on other parts like my nose, the forehead, chin and cupid's bow. I'm not oily anymore, which is amazing. So now all I do is powder underneath my eyes, and like I did just then, now I'm good to go. I'm going to take the NYX contour kit. I'm going to take a mixture of these two colours. One's a bit more bronzy and that one's a bit darker. If you have like nothing on with your skin, you can just swipe motions. But if you have problematic skin like mine, then you need to dab. Pretty much everything that you put on, you need to dab it. Oh my god. That was so itchy. Smaller brush, this is actually a blending brush. I'm going to take a tiny bit of the colour and just run it down the edges of my nose to contour. The highlight, my favourite part. I'm going to use one I haven't used in a long time, which is Anastasia Glow Kit. And I'm going to take a mix of Sunburst and Bubbly. Sunburst and Bubbly, which is the vanilla and the champagne. No, not champagne, the rose gold. I'm going to take it on my little fan brush that I started off with. If you know, you know. Shit. Wait, blusher. For blusher, I'm going to use the Yves Saint Laurent Blush for Luxe, and this is in the colour 4, which is a beautiful pink. I think blush is so nice on everyone. Wait, I'm going to need to turn on my light. This is a bit crazy. Sorry, it's full on snowing outside. It's so pretty, but then it's like not at the same time. Anastasia's highlights give more of like a glow within. I always highlight my brow bone doing my highlight. Amazing. So I always like to put it like pretty much all over my entire face, because that way you look like you're glowing instead of, you know, the obvious strip of highlight. Right here, a top on top of the arch. But remember to do this after you do your bronzer and stuff. Glowing. Woo! Which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Tip Brow Pomade in Ebony. I am about to go really light with my hair, so I'm gonna have to change my eyebrows to quite a bit lighter, but for now, it's still Ebony. Fucking hell. I've been doing lately with my brow gel, which is from Maybelline, and the fiber filler is brushing them up and keeping them up. I know a lot of people do that anyway, but I didn't, so now I am, and I really like it. What I'm going to use for the beautiful pink eye makeup that Hrush did, that I tend to actually always do, is use the Yves Saint Laurent Couture palette in the shade number 9 called Love. How beautiful is this? It's literally stunning, and every colour is shimmer shade. This one here, amazing. I'm going to take this dark shade here, go straight into the crease. And this shade is more of the purple. I think pink eyes look absolutely stunning on everyone as well. So if a client ever asks me like, "Oh, just do whatever you want," I do this and it's stunning. So now I'm going to take the beautiful pink shade. You can also use your finger. See how stunning that is? Especially with green eyes, it looks so nice. Dark purple shade. And now I'm going to just focus it on the outer edge to give a bit more depth. That's the top bit done. 2 eyeshadows and it's so nice. So nice. Now I'm going to take a little pencil brush, which is amazing for the lower lashes. Take the pink and I'm literally going to put this all underneath my lower lash line. Now I've just taken the purple and I'm keeping this on the outer. I'm going to put a tiny bit of this glitter here, and with the moon dust you literally just want to take it on your finger and then just dab it on. I don't know if you can see that. And I'm just going to keep it in that area there. Oh fuck, I like this. Oh my god. Prep my lashes with YSL The Shock. I always go back in for a second layer on my bottom lashes. So I'm just literally going to line my lash line with YSL Couture eyeliner, which is hands down the best liquid eyeliner ever. And I actually find it easier to apply after I've applied mascara, hence why I'm doing that now. These lashes, the lash glue I'm going to use is Salon Pro hair bonding glue. So this is for gluing on weaves, if I'm correct, and my friend told me that this is what a lot of girls use to put on their eyelashes because it's like literally super glue and it won't come off. It just won't. And then I used it once because I was thinking, what? That must be so bad for you. And then I used it and my lashes did not move at all. So I went and bought it, which you can get from salons, but you can also get it online on like eBay or whatever. I am so annoyed because my memory decided to be full when I literally have 2 things left to do, so I just had to wait for like half an hour to sort it out. Just gonna apply the Maybelline gel liner all up in there, and that just gives it a really nice sexy look. My lips, I'm going to use the liquid lipstick from Bare Minerals in the shade Boss. I actually think Bare Minerals has one of the nicest liquid lipstick formulas. So underrated. And it smells like cakes, it's so nice. Yeah, I'm coming. That is the entire makeup look now. I love it.